Till today, all the vaccines that are developed against COVID-19 disease, all the vaccines that are being administered are in the form of injection. Basically, to get vaccine against COVID-19 disease, you need to get yourself pierced by an injection. When I tell some people to go and get vaccinated against COVID-19 disease, they say, I am very scared of injection. I am very scared of getting pierced myself with a needle. So they are showing hesitancy in getting injected with COVID-19 vaccine. So there is a very good news that is coming up, and a very exciting and promising news in fight against COVID-19 disease. Welcome to Dr. Akinclicks, and I am Dr. Akin. Yes, a very interesting and exciting vaccine is coming up, and this vaccine against COVID-19 disease is painless, injection-free vaccine that is coming up against COVID-19 disease. And you yourself could administer this vaccine against COVID-19 disease. So be with me till the end of this video. I will be sharing to you in detail about this vaccine that is injection-free, that is painless, and a vaccine which you can administer yourself. The vaccine that I am talking is intranasal vaccine against COVID-19. This vaccine you can administer yourself in the form of a nasal spray or in the form of nasal drop. You can administer in the nose. This vaccine is directly administered into the nose, and a dose of vaccine can be easily administered into the nose by yourself. At present in the world, there are 4 vaccine candidates of intranasal vaccine against COVID-19, those who are undergoing phase 1 and phase 2 trials. So it's a very interesting and very promising and exciting vaccine against COVID-19 that is coming up. Now let's go into the advantage of this intranasal vaccine against COVID-19 disease. Number 1 advantage is that this intranasal vaccine is needle-free, it is painless, and the dose of vaccine is 0.1 ml in each of the nostril. So you need to administer only 0.1 ml of this vaccine into each of the nostril. That means 0.1 ml in the right nostril and another 0.1 ml in the left nostril. The second advantage is that this vaccine can be easily administered and very quickly administered to a large number of population. The third point of advantage is that this vaccination does not require healthcare worker. The advantage point of this vaccine is that there is no need of needle, there is no need of syringes, there is no need of cotton swab with alcohol-based solution. Thereby, this vaccination will reduce the biomedical waste which is generated during the usual course of injectable vaccine. The fifth advantage point of this intranasal vaccine is that this vaccine may not require cold chain. So you can just carry your vaccine in your pocket, go around and vaccinate your relatives and friends. So it's really a very promising vaccine that is coming up. Now let's go into the detail how this vaccine works. This is an adenoviral vector vaccine. This is a live attenuated vaccine. That means a weakened form of the virus is used in this intranasal vaccine. When this vaccine is introduced into the nose, the mucous membrane of the nose absorbs it and antibodies are developed against the virus. Basically, IgA antibodies are developed against the virus, at the nose, at the mucous membrane, that is at the point of entry of this vaccine. And the mucosal immunity IgA destroys the virus and stops the transmission. This is a very, very important thing of this intranasal vaccine. It destroys the virus at the point of entry and stops the transmission of the virus. University of Washington School of Medicine and US vaccine maker Plugent are actively pursuing to develop this vaccine against COVID-19 disease. In India, Bharat Biotech, the vaccine maker pharmaceutical company based in Hyderabad, which has already developed Covaxin injectable vaccine against COVID-19, is pursuing to develop this vaccine in India. It has already applied to the Indian drug regulator to start the clinical trials of this intranasal vaccine. The concept of nasal vaccine has been extensively tested in animals, especially in mice and hamster. It is seen to give superior immunity and protection with a single dose of vaccine. In mice, research shows widespread immune response and destroys any coronavirus which is present in nose and lungs. The question is which everyone is asking, how effective will this intranasal vaccine will be, and how soon will the vaccine will be ready and available to the population? Safety and efficacy in human is yet to be studied as the trials are yet to be started. Bharat Biotech has sought permission from the drug regulator to start the clinical trials in February 2021. Experts say it will take at least 6 to 7 months to be ready and available to the population. If it is also fast-tracked like any other vaccines that are already available and is being used for vaccinating against COVID-19 disease. Since human trials of this nasal vaccine is yet to be started, we can only say at this point that this is a very good scientific development on vaccines against COVID-19 disease, and we have to remain excited because this is a very interesting and exciting development of vaccine that is taking place. At the same time, since we are dealing with science, since we are dealing with scientific development of vaccine, we cannot overpromise also till we see the data of the clinical trials. I shall be tracking this intranasal vaccine development against COVID-19 disease and will continue to bring you update regarding the development of this vaccine. Therefore, to get regular latest updates, please subscribe, like and press the bell icon.